It's Seneca. So today I just want to share with you some of my hairstyles that I have for curly hair. You can also do it for straight hair as well. These hairstyles I try to make as protective as possible, and it requires no damage, and it's super easy and simple. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and let's get started. So this first hairstyle is really simple actually. All you need is a clip, and we're basically just clipping it half up, half down, and I put my part to the side. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I kind of rolled my hair. Oh, and there's Mia, my niece, and yeah, you just clip it and voila. This hairstyle is also pretty self-explanatory. I just like to put all of my hair on one side so there's like more volume, and then I clip the other side with a nice big clip. I usually like ones with like pearls or like a big statement clip. Now I'm just refreshing my curls because for this hairstyle I like my hair extra curly. So now we're gonna start putting half of our hair up in a bun. Also really simple hairstyle again. So I tie it with the Invisibobble because I don't really want to use a scrunchie. I just kind of want it to look invisible. And I tie it about 3 times so it can get pretty tight. And that's basically it. Also, if you want to, you can put like 2 strands of hair in the front. I like to do that for some hairstyles sometimes. It just adds like a little bit of oomph. And yeah, that's how the end result looks. This hairstyle is basically the same thing, except instead of a bun, I'm just kind of leaving my hair out into a ponytail. And I'm using a gray scrunchie instead. I'm tying it around 2 times because I don't want it to get too tight. I just like my hair to drape over my face. I'm gonna start off this hairstyle with a middle part, and then yeah, you split it into 2, and then it's just basically 2 buns, like 2 pigtails but buns instead. And I like to have 2 strands also sticking out. I like to tie this one pretty loose because in the end I like to pin down the straight ends with a bobby pin so the buns don't look too tight. This one is like the most simplest one of them all. It's just a low side ponytail, and I'm also using the Invisibobble just so it's clear. I kind of like that sleek look, and I just tie it twice because I want it to be like a really loose side ponytail. So this one is like a messy bun. So I'm just gonna gather up all my hair, and I also like to leave 2 strands out for this hairstyle. So I tie it once and then I half tie it, and I just like leave the remaining curls resting on my head. And then what I like to do is I like to pin down like also the straight ends with the bobby pin so it looks messy. You also don't want like really long strands of hair going down unless you're into that look, but I like it to be just like up in a bun. This one you need a scarf, any scarf of your choice. This one is a satin scarf. I just like it because it doesn't make my hair frizzy. So you fold it in half, then you start rolling it until it makes kind of like a triangle shape. Then you keep rolling. And then I put the triangle shape like towards the bottom, facing down. And then yeah, you just tie it. And I tie it at the nape of my neck. And if it's still pretty loose, you can tie it 2 times. I also like to add bobby pins on each side so it stays put and I don't feel like it's just gonna fall off randomly. So yeah, the bobby pins help it stay really secure. So for this one, I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail, and I'm also using the same scarf to tie it around my ponytail, and I'm just also using the Invisibobble because I don't really want anything showing. So yeah, here's the same scarf. So basically the same idea, roll it up just so you can tie it around your ponytail. So what I like to do is tie it around once and then maybe tie it into a bow, or you can just do 2 knots and just leave the strands hanging. It's definitely up to your preference. Yeah, I just like switch it up every now and then. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you tried any of the hairstyles. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!